when these sell out, I'm going to be ordering more. So check them out. Just amazing sound. After I got the set that my son is playing now, I asked her done. And I said, how did you do it? Like, how did you get that amazing, like, church organ sound out of the drones? And he said they just have been very, very true to the original Henderson design. And if you talk to bagpipers who know about history of bagpipes or are just obsessed with bagpipe sound, everybody knows the Henderson drone sound, like the historic Henderson sound from over 100 years ago. And they're doing it. They're replicating that sound today with the modern equipment and modern technology.